Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Charger headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Gather your tools, such as a new bulb, a screwdriver, and possibly gloves. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct bulb type and specific instructions for your model. Safety is key, so take your time. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your Dodge Charger's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or fasteners to gain clear access. Use a screwdriver if necessary. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing a tab and pulling it straight off. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, it might be held in by a spring clip or require a quarter turn counterclockwise to release. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it clicks securely into place. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, replace any covers or fasteners you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Charger's headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.